everybody, how are you? Today I'll show you some science experiments. My first experiment is air pressure. So let me start. See. Again I show you. There is water not coming out. Not coming out. So, see. Air pressure of water, so water is coming out in the straw. So let me start second experiment. So let me show you second science experiment. So let me start. You need one water bottle. Let me start. See, water is not coming out. Water is coming out. Water is not coming out. Water is coming out. Water is not coming out. Water is coming out. Water is not coming out. So it's not magic. This is a air pressure. My third science experiment is also air pressure. You need some glass of water and one cardboard.